Street art, sarcasm, crass humor in high fashion. Peach color moon glistens, the plot thickens.
Some insurance companies will allow you to purchase additional protection that covers paying off your finance balance in the event you are in an accident and your car is totaled and valued for less than what the insurance company offered. Absent such protection in your insurance plan, you are still responsible for that remaining balance. Some finance companies will allow you to eliminate or reduce that balance for the sake of the lost collateral. You would need to contact your finance company directly to find out more information. As a tip, be sure to ask your insurance company to send a copy to you of whatever they send to the finance company so that you know exactly what was paid and what is owed. Thank you for joining me for a cup of coffee, and I hope this video helps you. Be sure to share with family and friends and subscribe to all of our social media outlets for more updates.